The bishop is one of the most interesting pieces in chess because it can move as far as it wants, but only on diagonals. The bishop, just like the other pieces that we've met so far, cannot jump over other pieces. This means that the bishop has to stay on the same colored square it starts the game on for the entire game. In chess, you get two bishops. This bishop is called the light-squared bishop because it can only travel on the light squares. Meet the other bishop that you have in the game, the dark-squared bishop. It moves exactly like the light-squared bishop, but only on the dark-squared diagonals. Now that you've met both bishops, let's take a look at how they move. With just one move, the dark-squared bishop can enter the longest dark-squared diagonal on the board. Let's do the same with the light-squared bishop. Now, notice no matter how many bishop moves we make, the bishops never cross paths. They never block each other. And the reason why is because they're on opposite colored squares, so they never interfere with each other. They make a good team. Now that you've learned how the bishops move, it's your turn to practice moving the bishops.